last topic of unit 3, energy conservation in boiler. Now we know what is boiler is. Boiler is a structure or is a system which convert water into steam. From unit number 1 we had discussed many times what is boiler, because boiler is one of the most essential part in the power system. So there are two types of boiler: water tube boiler and fire tube boiler. You might have seen in the videos I asked you in the past to do that, but if not, I am providing the links in the description. Please go through the video so you will understand how the boiler works. Now I will discuss how we can conserve energy in the boiler. So first point, preheat combustion air with waste heat increases boiler efficiency by 1%. Now you can imagine the diagram we had drawn for thermal power plant. Boiler is provided the heat by the coal burning inside the combustion chamber. So heating will require the air and the coal. Definitely, if the air is already heated, so definitely it will increase the system. It increase the process or the rapidness of the process, and definitely the energy will consume. Point number next, use variable speed drives on large boiler combustion air fans with variable flows. Now we had already discussed many times what is variable speed drive stands for. So VSD has function in all the instruments. Whenever we are requiring the flow of air, over there we are using VSD, and variable speed drive is definitely going to help in maintaining the system and conserving the energy. Then point number next, burn waste if permitted. Now we know that coal, we are using coal for thermal power plant and all that, so it would be better that if we are if we are burning the waste which is degradable waste, which will not produce more pollution, so that will be definitely going to help to conserve the energy. Next point, insulate exposed heated oil tanks. Now these exposed heated oil tanks, these oil tanks comes whenever we are using diesel generator set, a boiler which is supplied by a diesel power plant. So over there you will require to insulate the oil tanks, right? Because if the raw material for burning changes, the type of power plant will change. We have diesel power plant, we have coal power plant, we can have a wood power plant also, means we can burn the wood and provide the heat to the water and convert it into steam. So as far as the raw material changes, the type of the power plant can be changed. Next point, clean burners, nozzle, strainers, etc. Why cleaning is important? Because whenever we are burning something, if we are going with coal, the byproducts are ashes. So the ashes are very small in size, so they can stick to the burners and nozzles. So if they stick to the nozzle and burner, so they will choke the the holes, and the heat provided to the boiler will not be up to the mark. Next, inspect oil heaters for proper oil temperature. Now again, this point is related to the power plant if we are supplying the heat by burning the diesel. Next point is close burner air and or stack damper when the burner is off to minimize heat loss up to the stack. So that is the condition when the power plant is not in working, or that boiler is not in working. Right now the condition is like that because as the lockdown is there, so all the industries are shut down, and hence the total load on the power system is now only 40%. 60% load was there by the industry and 40% by the domestic. So this 60% is reduced. Hence if we have a power plant in Parari there are maybe three segments of power plant. So already and right now at this condition only one is working, means the second boiler which is used in over there is of no use right now. So we can close it down and we can save the energy. Next point, improve oxygen trim control. Now this oxygen inlet or intake of oxygen will definitely going to increase the efficiency of boiler. Next point, automatic or optimize boiler blowdown, recover boiler blowdown heat, right? So if we can recover the heat wasted in the boiler, definitely that will help to conserve the energy. Point number next, use boiler blowdown to help warm and backup boiler. One and the both points are same. Next, inspect door washers. Now washer is a word which we use in Delhi. Many times the pronunciation of washer is as a visor, right? So this washer is used whenever we want to seal something and the sealing should be proper. For that the washer is used. So washer, the inspection of washer is very much important, because if there is any leakage the system will collapse. Next point, optimize boiler water treatment. So whatever the water coming inside the boiler should be fresh, it should not be hard water, because if there is a hard water then there will be a saturation of that. After the water gets converted into steam, the salt and the hardness of water will get saturated inside the boiler walls, and that is it will affect the boiler system. Yeah. Next, add an economizer to preheat boiler feed water using exhausted. Now whatever the heat is getting exhausted, we can reutilize the same heat for preheated air. Okay. Number next, recycle steam condensate. That we know we are recycling the steam, means after the steam coming off the turbine we are sending it to condenser, and condenser is getting converting it to water, and same water is refeeding to the boiler. That is already we are doing in the system. Next, study part load characteristics and cycling costs to determine the most efficient mode of operating multiple boilers. Now this is a point which the power plant persons know, that how to capitalize the cycle of a boiler. They know for how much time the boiler should be in working condition and everything. That is a trial and error method, and once the person is familiar with the boiler, he knows the efficient way. And last point, consider multiple or modular boiler units instead of one or two large boiler. Now this is the system which is effective if the area is large, but for the small size areas large boilers are required, because whenever we are going with a separate boiler system, so every time whenever we are installing a separate boiler we require a large space. So if your space is large, then you can utilize this last point. Okay, so this is it, that's it. Go with the assignments. You have to do the assignments, submit it on time and study it. Thank you.